option. I really want to know what Aventurine sounds like in English, because everyone keeps bringing it up.
Hello, friend. How have you been? I sincerely hope you don't mind.
I do mind.
My apologies for any perceived slight. To show my sincerity, I offer you 10,000 credits.
He is a diva! Hello! I have no idea what friends are.
Such integrity. I like it.
Ouch!
I must have you as a friend. Here, 20,000 credits. Please excuse me, I have some matters to attend to, so I must depart. But I'm sure we'll meet again soon.
Where'd Sunday go? I wanted to listen to Sunday. Why does he sound like that? I need to find him again. I can't. I need to.
I never thought
A few minutes later.
Oh, here he is.
How fortuitous. We meet again.
Well, we meet again, friend.
The power that men both fear and desire is right in the palms of your hands, Mr. Stellaron. Have I hit the nail on the head?
Mr. Stellaron.
I don't do deals where I'm on the losing end. So I hope that friends...
That friends. What?
Friend.
What the hell?
The game has already begun. Allow me to make you an offer. One you can't refuse. No reason to choose otherwise. And no other choice.
Whoa! Get it! Whoa! Your room?
Your room?
Your room? Did we triple book this room? She was about to. Oh my god, he was getting so close. It didn't look like they were gonna kiss.
3 characters. Don't forget to stay on your toes. Like, keeping your door closed. I'll make my exit.
What is wrong with him? Dr. Ratio.
What is it, Ratio? I belong. Nothing more than a few rocks. Why so serious?
Why so serious?
If you ask me, that invite is nothing but a self-planted diversion. A red herring. Or...
He
during
just
the Chinese
sounds so... You know, slay!
Then, do you trust me?